Hello, good evening, let's go there! Drinks. All you can eat. Girls in the back there. Verdi guest drop. Oh, Jack, yeah? So this is Laugh of Fella here now. Quite busy in there actually. Nice video. This is the Goat, the pub of Seminyak. So nice looking hats. Very, very nice. Wow. Oh, very nice. Wow. Smile. 20% off at So Smile. Just take you and show you. Island of the Gods. It's like a ladies and men's clothing shop. Okay, so this is a start point for this evening's video. We're going to be heading along the street of Jalan Kayu Aya. This is just that street there. This is Jalan Prady, and in that direction. Just on the corner here we have Corner House. We have this restaurant that I have featured in a video. We'll just start on this side. We have Palmer here. We have Thai Chun. Just maybe have a look in there. There's got the seating inside. We'll have some tourists on the street, and then we're going to head across the street to Corner House. Here's the Corner House. A few people inside. A few people inside of there. Hello, how are you? Say hello. So that's all there at the Corner House. So we'll just give you a look across the street. We have Ink Incorporated, Fipper, Feeler, Rubber, Pomelo. We'll cut across on the other side. And just while I'm cutting across, there's quite a few tourists heading in that direction, and then the other direction. We have Monsieur Blonde here. Oh, some very nice looking stuff in there. Ladies' lingerie, jewellery. La la. Look across the street, we have Gambino's. With an upstairs and downstairs seating area. You can see some upstairs there. Downstairs is empty. Wow. Cigar and tobacco here. Some leather goods here. Oh, very authentic, nice original shop in there. Filthy Gorgeous. This is a jewellery shop. Have this all throughout Bali. Some nice stuff in here. Sterling silver. I'll just give you a look across the street. So there's Gambino's. We have Life. This is a t-shirt shop. We'll put across onto the other side actually, and I'll take a look at the t-shirts. There's some on display here. Some customers shopping in there. Summer Club. Some t-shirts in the back there. Some 200k on the Havanias sandals. Havanias there. And some more here. Collection of the t-shirts says 190k on that. Maybe they're all the same, not too sure. We're going to head down the street. Hello?
Hello.
A deer across the street there. Frock curves. A little barber here. Oh, barber and massage, quite a few inside there actually. Tourist information, tour booking service. And then we're going to head back across on the other side of the street to this collection of boutique shops. Okay, we've just come from this direction, cut across onto the other side. There's a look back. There's some more tourists on the street here. It's like a boutique style shop this, called Frock. Ladies' clothing. This one's called Curves. Some more ladies' clothing in there. Very, very nice. Mr. Gojek here. The ladies boutique style clothing shop here. Very, very nice. Essoir, this one, but it's already closed, that one. I'll give you a look back across on the other side. So we have Mino Jewels there. It's a jewellery shop. One Fable, Shawarma Beirut. We'll cut across and take a look at these places. Okay, so this is Mino Jewels. 50% off. Lots of nice looking stuff in the shop there. One Fable. This is like a ladies boutique style clothing shop. And then we have the Shawarma Beirut. Oh, we have the kebab in there. Let's put in the kebab there. Just said hello. So I'll just give you a look back. So there's our collection of ladies boutique shops there. Suka, the island of the gods. Nice looking shop, that one. I'll just give you a look on here first. This is a polo shop. I'm not sure whether this is the original Ralph Lauren or whether it's a copy or what. 229, 199. T-shirts, some shorts there as well. 199. K&I here. She's got lots of nice shiny clothes in here. Wow, look at that. Oh la la, very nice. Nice ladies' dresses. Lots more glittery stuff in there. Nice. Just coming back and cutting on the other side. This is Suka, Island of the Gods. It's like a ladies' and men's clothing shop. It's the name, Suka, Island of the Gods. Got some nice looking stuff in there. Very, very unique stuff. Very nice. Agatha Spa next door. Let's give you a look back across. So there's a polo shop, K&I. Grip Never Let Go, Fipper Feel of Rubber. A Mermaid's boutique shop just next door to that. Inside the spa there waving. Hello, good evening, Agatha Spa. How are you? Bali love there from Agatha Spa. So we'll just turn back here. Mermaids, Dawn and Co. Sun Hour Batik shop. This is Mr. and Mrs. I'm not allowed to show you this because I got blocked last time with the camera. Okay, so just cutting across, we have a shop called Dawn and Co. here. Another boutique style shop there. This one's either closed early or closed down. I'll show you from here. It's called Mr. and Mrs. D. That one. Not allowed to show you. Another shop here. Oh, pink flamingo in there. Ladies, men's, kids stuff in there. Oh, painting shop across the street there. Circle K convenience store. Here, like a jewellery shop, that one. We have Alexa Day Spa here. And inside there. Hello Alexa, how are you? You good? Not really any staff there. A couple on the street here. The 69 Slam shop here. Well, that's an international brand good shop. So Smile. 20% off at So Smile. Just take you and show you. It's a teeth whitening place. Have all the little cubicles inside here. So look inside. There it is, So Smile. Bali Watch, Bali Good collection. We're going to take you across and show you some of what's in here because there's some nice looking stuff in here. Of all the watches and hats and things here. Watches in the boxes. So nice looking hats. Very, very nice. Wild Burberry. Some nice handbags as well. All in there. Bali Watch. And then we have Bali Good collection. All the collection of the handbags and things here. Oh, very Very nice. Wow. So many inside there. Oh, some of the characters as well here. And here we are now, we've arrived at the party zone. I'm going to cut back across on the street, other side of the street. There's So Smile. So Smile, we have Johnny Rockets burgers, and then there we have red carpet. We'll take in red carpet as we walk past. It's Johnny Rockets. I saw this in the Icon Bali in Sonora earlier in the day. It was very busy. The seating areas at the front. Okay, so we have Mel Verde here. We have Lapa Fella on the other side. We'll cut across here, take a look. You can see it's the Mel Verde. It's the main entrance into the Mel Verde. Ooh. Just through in the back there. Ooh. Something going on. Reflow drinks. All you can eat. Drink, $199. There's all the girls in the back there. Mel Verde guest drop. Quite a few tourists in and around this area now. How are you, brother? You good? Oh, Jack, yeah? So this is Lapa Fella here now. Queuing up to go inside there. Wow. Not so busy, but people at least. There's a look back at Natty's, quite quiet in there as well. Let's just cut across. We'll just walk a little bit past Mel Verde and Lapa Fella. The restaurant here. There's some music going on in there. Have the smash burger there, big mouth burgers. And then this is where we'll finish tonight's video. This is the Goat, the pub of Seminyak. There's a few in the Goat, the pub of Seminyak. Just on this side we have a huge tourist goods shop, handbags, lots of stuff inside of there. Wow. How are you, brother? You good? Good.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Another one here. Lots of shoes, running shoes, things of that nature. Handbags, glasses, all available there. Wow. Another one next door and many more. And there's a look back, and there's where we finish tonight's video. Okay, so this is a start point for this evening's video. We're going to be heading along the street of Jalan Kayu Aya. This is just that street there. This is Jalan Prady, and in that direction. Just on the corner here we have Corner House